Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ignis, a compact urban SUV that's been turning heads with its distinctive design and impressive features. Whether you're considering a new city car or simply curious about the latest in automotive innovation, this comprehensive overview will provide you with all the insights you need. Exterior design and styling. The 2025 Ignis boasts a high SUV-like stance, complemented by an imposing chrome grille that gives it a bold front fascia. Sturdy front and rear skid plates enhance its rugged appeal, while a striking rear spoiler and sporty roof rails add a touch of dynamism. All-around cladding and 15-inch all-black alloy wheels further accentuate its tough and sporty look. The LED projector headlamps with LED DRLs not only improve visibility but also contribute to its modern aesthetic. Interior comfort and features. Step inside the Ignis, and you're greeted by a spacious interior adorned with vibrant upholstery and a dual-tone ivory dashboard. The carbon texture on the AC louvers adds a premium touch. The SmartPlay Studio infotainment system enhances the driving experience, offering seamless connectivity and entertainment options. Dimensions and space. Measuring 3,700 mm in length, 1,690 mm in width, and 1,595 mm in height, the Ignis strikes a balance between compactness and interior space. Its 2,435 mm wheelbase ensures stability at high speeds and provides ample legroom for rear passengers. With a ground clearance of 180 mm, it adeptly handles urban obstacles, and the 260-litre boot space offers sufficient storage for daily needs. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ignis houses a 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine that delivers 83 PS of power at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 113 Newton-meters of torque at 4,200 revolutions per minute. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed automatic transmission, catering to different driving preferences. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the Ignis is its impressive fuel efficiency. Thanks to the idle start-stop technology integrated into its 1.2-litre dual-jet petrol engine, the Ignis achieves up to 24 km/L, making it an economical choice for city commuters. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the Ignis. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ESP with hill hold assist. These features work in tandem to ensure a secure driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on longer journeys. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Ignis is available in multiple variants to suit diverse preferences and budgets. Prices start at a superscript 15.8 lakh. Offering excellent value given its array of features and the brand's reputation for reliability. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Ignis offers a peppy and responsive drive, making it well suited for urban environments. Its compact dimensions allow for easy maneuverability through traffic, while the elevated seating position provides a commanding view of the road. The suspension system is tuned to absorb city road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride for occupants. Technology integration. The SmartPlay Studio infotainment system is a highlight in the Ignis's cabin. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, it supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The system also offers navigation, voice commands, and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring drivers remain connected while keeping their focus on the road. Customization options. Maruti Suzuki offers a range of customization options for the Ignis, enabling owners to personalize their vehicle to reflect their style. From contrasting roof colors to unique interior accents, the Ignis can be tailored to stand out on the road. Market positioning. Positioned as a compact urban SUV, the Ignis fills a niche for drivers seeking the agility of a hatchback with the robust aesthetics of an SUV. Its blend of style, efficiency, and practicality makes it a compelling choice in the competitive compact car segment. Ownership experience. Owners of the Ignis have praised its reliability and low maintenance costs. Maruti Suzuki's extensive service network ensures that assistance is never far away, providing peace of mind to drivers across the country. Environmental considerations. With its efficient engine and idle start-stop technology, the Ignis minimizes fuel consumption and reduces emissions, making it an environmentally conscious choice for urban drivers. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Ignis stands out as a versatile and stylish option for those navigating the urban jungle. Its combination of bold design, efficient performance, and modern features makes it a noteworthy contender in the compact SUV segment. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who enjoys weekend getaways, the Ignis is equipped to meet a variety of driving needs. For a more detailed visual overview, you might find this video insightful. Please subscribe to my channel please.